Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today, I will present the key issue Vimeo is currently facing in its omnichannel journey and specific recommendations for them to improve in the future. And the content of this presentation include four parts. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about the key issue identifications and priority ranking based on the four main criteria including urgency, feasibility, risk exposure, and business value. The Vimeo issue were prioritized as following. With the first two B0 is real-time synchronizations and customer support. These directly affect the customer journey and experience. So if disrupted, the churn retentions and customer satisfaction decline seriously, especially for B2B customers who rely on stability and efficiency. Next is B1, including personalization and relevance, API and integration capability, and the platform feature limitation. These three issues are also urgent but pose a lower immediate risk rather than the B0. And lastly, EB2, content depth and analytic insight is the last priority for Vimeo. It is valuable but could be addressed later. And there are two investment scenarios of Vimeo, low investment and high investment. With the low investment, Vimeo must focus only on a B0, the most two urgent issue. With a real-time synchronization across channel, it is the foundations of any effective omni-channel system. If the data between channels isn't synchronized in real time, the customer journey will be interrupted right away. And regarding customer support, if the customer issue are not resolved promptly, it causes frustration and make the customer encounter a non-seamless experience. So this is one of the most urgent priority for Vimeo regarding low investment. And by resolving these two issues, the omnichannel maturity journey score will be increased from 75.25% to 82%, catching up and also minimizing the gap between Vimeo and Breakup in YouTube. And with high investment, Vimeo can address all six issues in B2B video platform model, but still need to follow the B0 to B2 in order. And omnichannel maturity score of Vimeo increased from 75.25% to 90%, creating long-term competitive advantages against YouTube and Greycop. Moving on, recommendations. The first recommendations for Vimeo is to fix the real-time synchronization by investing in event-driven data infrastructure like AQS or Kafka do, and this will be implemented from 12 to 18 months to ensure that the data is updated immediately and simultaneously across with Vimeo and other channels. And by leverage its existing cloud infrastructure, Vimeo can do that. And the performance can be measured by reducing the data latency by 50%, achieving the 98% data consistency, and increasing in NPS by at least 15% in the first year, and overall strengthening the B2B focus and delivering a seamless customer experience. Next, regarding customer support issue, it is crucial for Vimeo operating its omnichannel support system like Zendesk or First do. Vimeo needs to add live chat for instant help, implement a customer onboarding support, improve its AI chatbot, and continue to improve its personalized email and phone support. These actions aim to deliver faster response times and consistent support for Vimeo customers. The key target for Vimeo is to achieve a 30% chatbot automation, keep live chat response time under 60 seconds, and increase first contact resolution to 90% within 3 to 6 months. Next, coming to the B1, the first issue should be solved is strengthening personalization. Nowadays, business customers expect a highly personalized experience, yet Vimeo has not fully leveraged behavior data to tailor its interface or recommend the right tool for business customer. Just it is essential for Vimeo to implement an AI-driven personalization engine that analyzes the customer behavior and industry type to suggest the relevant tools, templates, and service package for the customer. The key targets include over 85% model accuracy, a 70% A/B test win rate, and a 30% increase in customer retention. These recommendations estimate executing within 6 to 12 months. Besides, Vimeo currently has limited API capability, especially lacking integration with essential systems such as CRM, CMS, and marketing automation platform. To close this gap, Vimeo should develop an open API framework and a developer portal that supports integrations with the tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others. The goal is to become a strong integration hub, reduce the customer setup time by 40%, and increase the enterprise API adoption by 30% within 12 months. This will help Vimeo create a long-term B2B value. The next recommendations is to improve the life of features. Vimeo should upgrade its entire UI and UX dashboard, add the multi-user editing, and integrate advanced feature within 3 to 9 months. In particular, introducing AI auto-generating video will help user work more effectively and track the performance more easily on Vimeo. This improvement will enhance the customer journey experience, boost the retentions, and also strengthen the Vimeo competitiveness in the online video platform market. The last recommendation, which is also the B2 priority for Vimeo, it is essential for them to build a centralized knowledge hub, enhance the industry-specific webinars, and upgrade the advanced analytic dashboard for the customer. This solution will be implemented for 3 to 6 months and aim to increase the self-service resolution, achieve the positive case study interaction, and also boost the dashboard usage by the customer, ultimately creating a more seamless omnichannel experience as well as narrow down the gap between Vimeo and competitors. In conclusion, by following the suggested recommendation, Vimeo can deliver a seamless omnichannel experience and position itself for sustainable competitiveness in the B2B online video platform industry. With the high investment unlock the transformative growth, while the low investment secure the stability by addressing the most urgent issue first. And thank you for listening.